Good morning, everyone. Project number 2 of the 100 Things Project. I started this a while back, and this is another thing that I'm doing with the 100 Things Project. I'm going through my unfinished projects and getting them done. But this is going to be my coupon keeper that will fit inside my purse. And I was just playing around with file folders and decided to make it trifold, so I can write down lists inside of things I need to pick up and what store I need to get them in. Like if I'm going to Publix, Walmart, whatever, I can keep a list. And each side has a pocket. So I stick coupons in there for the stores I'm going to. And all of them are the same, just got different papers in them. They all have their little pocket. And I decided to dress this one up a little bit because, when you're spending money, you want to see something positive. So, yeah, I've got a month here. Probably 2 months because we don't really shop every week. But I decided I wanted something cute to take to the grocery store. And, I didn't want to spend $15 for a coupon keeper that they sell in the store. So I have a pile of file folders. So I started making it, and believe it or not, I got to here and quit. I got to the last section and quit. But it's cute. It's a good little organizer. And I thought too, if you're going like on a road trip and you want to do some fussy cutting and put them all down in each little envelope, then just open this size up and you can be gluing stuff with a glue stick while you're on the road. So it can either be used as a little glue book, or they can be used as coupon organizers. Heck, for that matter, it could be used for a journal. Whatever you want to use it for. So this is project number 2 of my 100 things. And I did get number 3. I did get my grandma's kitchen journal in the cover, and it's still real stiff because I haven't opened it. I put some ephemera in, not a lot. This one's going to go on this page. I haven't, stuck any of it in. I just put it in here. I've got a lot of these little recipe cards I'm going to put in and you decorate them a little bit. It's a little journaling card I made. So basically this is going to be 2 and 3. So there we go. I am moving forward. See you later. Bye.